Hello, and thank you for stopping by Tim and Amy's homestead. Wanted to show you the aftermath of Hurricane Florence, September 2018. We're asking for continued prayer for everyone involved in this hurricane. Please pray for the linemen, the rescuers, the ambulance crew, everyone involved. We ask for prayers. And if you happen to know of a place that is taking donations, please donate. These people are in desperate need of so many things. As of right now, I have heard 17 lives have been lost in this hurricane. Thank you for watching Part 2 of Hurricane Florence, September 2018. Remember to pray for all in the path. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.